Hi everybody, we're demonstrating for you today. This is a PDC 48-inch neck band or body band shrink tunnel. 1200 watts, 240 volt 3-phase. Somebody's added these little rails to them, edges. They get you a little more bang for the buck depending on the application. Innovations like this are commonly seen. All original factory controls. You can see on the bottom there's a capacitor, and this terminal block right there takes power to the lift system should you choose to install it. It probably had one in at one time, was taken out for whatever reason, mounted down there. Has a control for it up here. Running all 3 heat zones, everything working perfectly. You'll find this on our website at www.champtrading.com. And you'll see this under our packaging and then the subset tamper evidence section. We have lots of process equipment as well, so do visit our site. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.